I'm going to give it to the guy that got overshadowed and probably should be talked about, Zach Gallen. This guy's off to like the best start of any MLB pitcher's career ever. And there's numbers that back that up. He's had 30 career starts, 168 innings. So he's basically had a full season at this point. Over the course of 3 years, obviously last year is a messed up year, and the year before that was his like debut rookie year.
Yeah, I think he's had a few times he's just gotten banged up.
Yeah, like I think he did his 10 days this year, but
yeah, he had the one injury this year.
He had 12 starts last year, which was a full season, and then the year before that was his rookie year. He got traded for Jazz Chisholm, which, by the way, that might look like a hell of a trade for both sides at some point.
One of the rare both teams very happy.
My God. 30 starts for Zach Gallen, a 2.72 ERA. I mean, could you imagine if he was doing that in a big market?
Yeah. I mean, how many?
I mean, I know we're making the Diamondbacks a big market team.
We love the Diamondbacks.
That's part of my goal, to be the big market Diamondbacks. But if this was happening in Chicago, or this was happening in Boston or New York or wherever,
Atlanta,
like Zach Gallen would be a thing. Think about it this way. Like when we talk best young pitchers in the game, we go Walker Buehler, we go Flaherty, we go Giolito, Fried, like Chris Rose rotation. Like, you bounce around a little bit. Like Zach Gallen should probably be one of the first names you say.
He's in that.
If not the first name. Like story of Zach Gallen's career at this point. One hitter, complete game. Completely overshadowed by Mad Bum's no-hitter.
The day he threw a complete game one-hitter, shutout.
Irrelevant.
And on the day that the Diamondbacks become a kind of a national story.
Yeah.
Because the guy who pitched the second game of the double.
So, my bro of the night,
and
Zach
Padres.
Gallen.